Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the new Facebook app Threads and how you can leverage it to make money. Threads is a messaging app designed for close friends and is packed with features that can help you earn some extra cash. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 10 ways you can make money using the new Facebook app Threads. 1. Influencer marketing. With Threads, you can build your personal brand and become an influencer. Create engaging content, share it with your close friends, and collaborate with brands for sponsored posts. As your influence grows, so will your earning potential. 2. Product recommendations. Leverage Threads to recommend products and services to your close friends. Share your honest reviews and opinions, and earn affiliate commissions for every purchase made through your recommendations. 3. Exclusive content. Offer exclusive content to your close friends through Threads. This could be behind-the-scenes footage, tutorials, or even personalized advice. You can charge a subscription fee or offer it as a perk for your followers. 4. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, use Threads to offer online coaching sessions to your close friends. Whether it's fitness, cooking, or business advice, people are always willing to pay for personalized guidance. 5. Freelancing opportunities. Threads can be a great platform to showcase your skills and find freelancing gigs. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or social media manager, let your close friends know about your services and watch the opportunities roll in. 6. Virtual garage sale. Clean out your closet and sell unwanted items to your close friends through Threads. It's a convenient way to declutter while making some extra money. You can also offer exclusive deals and discounts to incentivize purchases. 7. Event planning. If you have a knack for organizing events, use Threads to offer your services to your close friends. Whether it's a birthday party, wedding, or corporate event, your friends will appreciate the convenience of having an expert planner. 8. Social media management. Many small businesses struggle with managing their social media presence. Utilize Threads to offer your social media management services to your close friends who own businesses. Help them grow their online presence while earning money. 9. Personalized gifts. Tap into your creative side and offer personalized gift services through Threads. Whether it's custom artwork, handmade crafts, or personalized poems, your close friends will appreciate the thoughtfulness and uniqueness of your gifts. 10. Sponsored polls and surveys. Brands are always looking for consumer insights. Use Threads to conduct sponsored polls and surveys among your close friends. Brands will pay you for the valuable data you collect, and your friends will enjoy participating in fun surveys. And there you have it, 10 ways to make money using the new Facebook app Threads. Whether you're an influencer, freelancer, or just looking for some extra income, Threads provides a fantastic platform to monetize your skills and interests. So, start exploring the app, get creative, and watch your bank account grow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.